SolidWorks has 3 arc tools: CenterPoint Arc, Tangent Arc, and 3-point arc. See figures. To draw a CenterPoint arc, access the sketching tools, define a plane, and the millimeter units. Click the CenterPoint Arc tool. Click a starting point, point 1. Move the cursor and define point 2. The distance between the starting point, point 1, and point 2 will define the radius of a circle. The circle will be used to define the arc. The radius of the arc will be equal to the radius of the circle. Move the cursor and define point 3. The angular distance between points 2 and 3 will define the angular length of the arc. Add dimensions as required. Here the angular length 130 degree and radius 40 mm is selected. To draw a tangent arc, access the sketching tools, define a plane, and the millimeter units. The tangent arc is used to draw an arc between existing entities. In this example, 2 lines have been drawn. Click the Tangent Arc tool, click a starting point, point 1. In this example, the endpoint of the slanted line was selected. To change the direction of the arc, move the cursor to point 1 again and then try to draw. Move the cursor and define point 2. In this example, the endpoint of the horizontal line was selected. Add dimensions as required. Here the radius of the circle is 60 mm is selected. To draw a 3-point arc, access the sketching tools, define a plane, and the millimeter units. Click the 3-point arc tool. Click a starting point, point 1. Move the cursor and define point 2. Move the cursor and define point 3. Add dimensions as required. Here the radius of the arc is 50 mm selected. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Be different.